These 4 to 5 setting will surely enhance the battery performance on your laptop. So let's start without wasting our time. Step number 1 is you should always look for the sleep setting on your Windows. Go to edit power plan, and once you see that, go to power options, and first of all you need to choose the balance recommended here. This will save your battery performance, as well as you can save this option power saver, and you can save this option, but that is optional. Recommended is also save your battery life. So you can turn off the display after interval of the times. If you are not using it, your battery will save some. Now this is the first setting. Close this. Now let's right click on here, open the task manager, and disable the startup apps. Setting number 2 is if these apps are enabled, so these apps will run in the background as well. So disable these apps on your Windows. So this is the second setting number 2. Now let's move on to the setting number 3. Click start menu, click settings, and go to accessibilities here. Then look for visual effects and animation effects. Just turn it off. Also you need to click on here which says apps, then click on install apps, and you can disable these apps running in the background. Power optimize, just select this option, or never, you can select the never as well, so that the apps cannot run automatically in the background. Let not wait, I don't need it to run it automatically in the background, so I have selected that never already. So this is the setting number 3. Now let's move on to the setting number next 4. Open the run command and type here sysdm.cpl, press OK, and this setting will also enhance your system performance. Go to advanced, this option, and adjust for best performance. Select this option, then click on apply, then click on OK, and click on OK. And also guys, you need to make sure that you are not using your laptop charger. Whenever it's full, just remove your battery, just remove your charger from your computer or laptop, and only if it is down like 20% and 30%, just plug it back, and it will save your battery life as well. So these are the settings guys, and you need to make sure that some of the setting, let me show you. You turn it off your system on the regular basis. Laptop, just go here, just if there is any option here like startup, fast startup, just untick the fast startup, then click on apply and OK. And also make sure you regular shut down your laptop, not just keep with a lock, just shut down your laptop, and it will surely enhance your battery performance and life as well. So I hope guys these steps and these tips are helpful for you. If yes, then hit like, subscribe and share. Thank you. Thanks for watching.